A beautiful Therma-Tru entryway deserves an equally beautiful finish, and Therma-Tru offers professionally applied and do-it-yourself solutions to create the look you want, inside and out. When it comes to color, the options are virtually unlimited. For grained doors, stain is ideal for accentuating the look of wood, adding character and warmth to your home. And paint is the perfect way to bring a pop of color to the entry and can be applied to both grained and smooth doors. For a premium look with added durability, Therma-Tru offers Prismaguard stain and paint. This palette of inspirational colors allows you to express your unique style while complementing your home's overall look with a high-end, low-maintenance finish. Prismaguard stain brings the authentic look of wood to life with rich tones that add dimension and are designed to enhance the wood grains of Therma-Tru fiberglass doors. Prismaguard paint delivers a pop of color, allowing you to tailor the look of the entry to make a beautiful lasting impression. These stain and paint colors are handcrafted and professionally applied in a controlled environment to protect your door from everyday wear and tear, helping to preserve its lasting beauty. In addition, Prismaguard Premium Finish is designed for optimal performance with Therma-Tru fiberglass doors and backed by a 10-year limited finish warranty for lasting beauty and peace of mind. For do-it-yourself enthusiasts, or if you plan to have a contractor finish your door on site, Therma-Tru also offers same-day stain. This all-inclusive kit features a quick-drying formula and is backed by a 5-year limited finish warranty for a wood-grained Therma-Tru fiberglass door. You or your contractor can also paint your door with any exterior-grade paint. From a bold punch of color to a more natural look, stain and paint are the perfect way to bring out the beauty of a Therma-Tru door while complementing your home and expressing your personal style. Explore the possibilities today.